I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Hello, this is a 1-minute Builderall affiliate program explanation. It's very simple. You know, the affiliate program of Builderall is quite complex. As you can see here, I made a calculator in a spreadsheet, and you have many things to consider. But here is the 1-minute explanation. Let's start now. So in Builderall, you have only two plans to sell. One costs $29.90, the other $69.90. Okay, the full Builderall is $69. On the first month of the payment, you earn 100% when you sell Builderall yourself. 100% on the both plan. But if one of your affiliates, they are affiliates on 3 levels. So if one of your affiliates sells one, you earn 0 on the first month. And 100% when you sell. Now, on recurring payments, so from the second to infinity for life, recurring payments, you earn $30 on a $69 plan and $8 on a $69 if one of your affiliates sells it. Okay? If you sell a $29 plan, you earn $12 recurring. And if one of your affiliates sold one $29, then you earn $3 every month. That's it. It's finished. The explanation. Now you have the numbers. Now we can relax. The 1-minute explanation is finished. And now we are free to talk about it in details. But here you have the explanation in 1 minute that you can give to people that you want to become affiliate of Builderall. You can give this. There is only 2 plans, 29 and 69. On the first month, you earn 100% if you sell one, and you earn 0% if one of your affiliates sells one. Because your affiliate will earn the 100% on the first month. Now, on the recurring payments, it's different. If you sell one, then you earn, as I said, on the $69, you earn $30 or $8, depending on whether you sold it or one of your affiliates sold it. And for $29, you earn either $12 or $3. And those numbers, they include all the bonuses, all the different rules of the compensation plan. You know, I give you those numbers. In fact, they are not real. It's not really that. It's an approximation of what you can think. But the numbers will differ because those include the car bonus, which is paid only every 3 months. They also include, the retention bonus. You know, it's complicated. The compensation plan is complicated. The retention bonus is paid every 3 months. The car bonus is paid every month, but it's based on points. And points are based on how much you sell. And they are only your sales, you know. So those numbers, they really include, for you, for your personal sales, they include the retention bonus and the car bonus. But those numbers for affiliate sales, they are fixed. There is no retention bonus or car bonus on those sales of your affiliates. So 8 and 3, they are fixed. But why? Because I assume that you are at the level F3. Because of course, in the compensation plan of Builderall, there are also levels of qualification of affiliate. But if you are an affiliate of Builderall, you will sell enough, which is very small amount. You will sell enough yourself to be F3. So we don't need to think about the qualification level. You will be F3. And that means that you will earn $8 recurring for the sales of your affiliate for $69 plan and $3 recurring for the sales of your affiliate of a $29 plan. That's it. If we want to talk about how much percentage commission it represents, I calculated, in fact, on a $29 plan, of course, the first month is 100% for your sales, and recurring is 40% recurring on your sales, 40%. And for the $69, the recurring is 43%. So let's say 40% recurring, which is okay, good. And for the affiliate sales, The percentage, let's not get into it. Doesn't matter anyway. It's $8 for $69 plan and $3. So it's about, let's say, 10%, a bit more. That's it, 10%. And 40% on your sales for recurring. You see how simple it is when you look at it like this. So when you want to explain it to potential affiliates, first try not to enter into details, because the compensation plan of Builderall takes about 20 minutes to explain, and the brain of your viewer will explode. They will long be gone already. It takes 20 minutes to explain, but it takes 20 days to understand, if you really want to understand it. But why? Doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you sell Builderall, you have affiliates selling Builderalls, and you earn money. Doesn't matter really why you earn money, how. And if you really want to know the numbers, then I made the calculation, and that's it. That's about that on average, 30%, 12%, $30 and $12 recurring. That's it. It's not bad. Huh?
Hey, that's pretty good.
How I know? Because, as I said, I made a spreadsheet to show in details the compensation plan of Builderall, the calculator, and to make this, I had to understand completely the compensation plan of Builderall. So I know all the rules, and I had to make formulas based on points, exactly how it works. So now I can simplify it and give just the average. You know, for the car bonus, as I said, it's based on points, and they are paid monthly, but based on points. So when I say that you earn $30 recurring, in fact you don't earn $30, but when you take a $69 plan, it's a 1/10 of the number of points you need, recurring points. You need to get one car bonus, a $50, one more car bonus. So I say that the $69 plan is 1/10 of $50 as for the car bonus. So if I add $5 more for each plan you sell, I say $5 are included for the car bonus. When you get it, you will get it when you have 10 sales of $69, or a mix between $69 sales and $29 sales. It's a mix. So for the $29, I didn't add $5 for the car bonus. It's about 1/25 of car bonus. Anyway, retention bonus is the same. Is when someone keeps paying for 3 months, then you get a retention bonus. So I just divide this retention bonus, which is given every 3 months. I divide by 3, I add it, and that's how I got those numbers. $30 recurring for 69, and $12 recurring for a $29 plan. Of course, it is actually a bit less than this, because you will always, not be exactly at 10 sales. If you are less than 10 sales of a $69, then you will not get the car bonus. So you will not have those $5 more. So on average, let's say you have hundreds of sales of Builderall as 69 and 29, then on average you can calculate like this. It's enough to explain it in 1 minute. Okay, and it's a good way to explain it. Of course, in reality, let's say it's a bit less, but it doesn't matter. Once you are into the game, then you make sales and you earn money, and that's it. You don't look at the details. It's just to explain it simply to potential affiliates, which are those people are more used to know how much percentage is the commission per month. Then you can say, well, if you sell Builderall, you get about 40% recurring for the lifetime of your customer, and on the first month you earn 100%. If you say this, it's okay, it's not a lie. It's about this, about 40% recurring on both plan and 100 on the first month. So it's very simple. It's less than 1 minute. So I hope this video will be useful for you, so that you can start to talk about the affiliate program of Builderall just very quickly. Just say, you can tell the numbers, $30 or $8, enter into details with the numbers, or just say Well, when you sell, you have 100% in the first month and 40% recurring then. And they will ask you, what about multi-level with affiliates? Then you can say, well, you earn $8 recurring on a $69 plan and $3, so about 10% of the sale. Over 10%. That's it. Bye-bye.
Don't let your kids watch it!